This is neat. Oh, you're good.
Sorry.
I can go over the other way. You're good. What? I was really liking it till I saw the electric.
That's what you just said.
I'm not really sure what this is, but I have to see it. This looks cool. Alright, so we're outside. Got some footage of a couple cars on the way out here. Trying to go for a ride in some Broncos. I don't know if you can see it from here. See if I can get a little closer too. But I want to check out some of these other cars and some other stuff. Hope you guys have been liking this so far. A lot of neat stuff always at SEMA. Gonna have to make this multiple videos because all the footage I've gotten on Probs. Yeah. So look at this GT500. You good? Either way, bud. That's pretty good.
And now they have another place in there called Level 3. But it's guys, they have
We're gonna go check out some stuff for the Bronco thingy. Alright, this is kind of cool. I need one of these.
Guy with that scalp.
This is cool. Food truck? Huh? This is some of the stuff I guess you can get for the Bronco. Which, oh, that's kind of cool how it goes on. I still like my Jeep. Not gonna lie. Oh, those cups are cute as hell though. Do Jeep make those cups? Jeep, get on that shit. Seriously. Some Molly gear. Yetis. I saw this thing as we walked into the South Hall area. This thing's pretty cool.
Drag racing, as soon as one run.
Well, they could have been timber isn't being used.
No, it's not even engaged.
Unless you inputted it manually.
I don't know about you guys, but I would like one of these. Definitely pretty badass. So it just brought to my attention, if you need to go ship some packages, come down to the convention center. Does that make sense? Oh, you guys caught that? Trying to get a good film and footage of that. What's it called? FedEx. It kind of struck me as weird. I don't know. I wonder if I could ship some guns from down here. You know, just cause it's at the convention center. Why not? We're going up to the upper area, the South Hall, look at some tools, and gotta switch a battery in this thing. So, thanks for watching, guys.